To get Heikin Ashi candles on TradingView, start by opening your TradingView account and navigating to the chart section. Once you are on the chart page, click on the Indicators button, which is usually located at the top of the screen. In the search bar, type Heikin Ashi and select the Heikin Ashi option from the drop-down list. This will apply the Heikin Ashi overlay to your chart, replacing the traditional candlestick chart with Heikin Ashi candles. Heikin Ashi candles are a type of candlestick chart that uses a modified formula to calculate the open, high, low, and close prices, reducing the noise and providing a clearer view of the market trends. To customize the Heikin Ashi settings, click on the gear icon next to the Heikin Ashi option in the indicators list. This will open a settings window where you can adjust the parameters to suit your trading strategy. You can also add multiple Heikin Ashi indicators with different settings to the same chart, allowing you to compare and analyze different market trends. Best practices for using Heikin Ashi candles include using them in combination with other indicators and techniques, such as trend lines and support and resistance levels, to form a comprehensive trading strategy. Additionally, it is essential to backtest and evaluate the performance of the Heikin Ashi candles in different market conditions before using them in live trading. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use Heikin Ashi candles on TradingView to improve your trading analysis and decision making. Overall, Heikin Ashi candles are a powerful tool for traders, providing a unique perspective on market trends and helping to identify potential trading opportunities.